So guys, ang ipapartner natin sa ating pork barbecue ay yung salad. Ayan. So wala tayong kanin for today guys. So meron ako dito tomato. Ayan. Yung ating carrots. Labi. Kad-kad ko yung ating lettuce. Bell pepper, colorful, ang ating onion, celery, ayan, siyempre yung ating mango guys, ayan, nag-slice ko na rin, so masarap talaga salad guys ang mango, ayan, oops. So ayan guys. At yung ating dressing guys, ito yung nagustuhan ko guys. So sa aming salad, ayan. So, let's go guys. Enjoy our food and thank you for watching everyone.